What's up YouTube? My name's David. And today I'm going to add a bit more diversity to my beatbox reviewing. I have two aliens in my video today. One of them is Indicator, probably the most recommended beatboxer I've had in my comment section to date. Legitimately, every recent video of mine is flooded with comments that say, please review Indicator, I am an alien beatboxer. He's admitting that he's an alien in the title of his video, so I guess we will see what that means as far as, you know, how he beatboxes. So I'm pretty excited to see that. The other alien in this video, I have been recommended a couple times. However, somebody told me that this beatboxer from Uruguay named PWAD uses this alien voice, and if I can figure out how he does it. So I've been recommended this video many times as well, and I've heard it's very good. So I'm very excited to hear this. Also in this video, I have the Swiss beatbox proclaimed Brazilian queen herself, Gwarlet. The video that I'm going to review showed up in my recommendeds when it first came out, and I clicked on it and started watching it. I was like, wow, this is pretty good, and I definitely want to review a female beatboxer. So the funny part is, now that I think about it, I don't even remember talking about needing a female beatboxer in one of my videos. I just thought about it. Anyways, back to the video. Not just for the sake of having a female beatboxer in my video, but ladies just generally have higher voices than men, and in this ever-evolving field of beatboxing, a lot of the excitement and hype for a routine is generally based off of the bass. However, females generally don't have as low of a voice naturally as men do, so I see that as a bit of a hurdle. However, there are many innovative and creative techniques in the beatboxing world that you can use, that I showed in a previous video, that can allow you to hit super low notes and create super low pitches without using your natural voice whatsoever. So I'm very excited to see her in action and check out why she is called the Brazilian queen. Without any further ado, let's get this thing rolling. So this first video I'm going to check out is from Indicator. It is literally called I'm an Alien. Maybe we can try to figure out what planet he's from. I am trying to remember what flag this is. I always get the Dutch flag and the Russian flag mixed up. Hold on a second. Let me Okay, so he is Dutch. This is Indicator from the Netherlands, from Beatbox International. Shout out to Pulsate. He reached out to me on Instagram after one of my last videos, and I think he helps run this channel. If not, he mixes a lot of the videos for this channel and other beatboxers in the community, and he does awesome work. So yeah, go show him some love. I'll leave his information in the description. This is a nice short video, 2 minutes long. All the videos that I've seen so far are like 5 minutes long, and not to, you know, like bag on you guys that are making 5-minute beatboxing videos, because that's really impressive, but 2 minutes, very consumable, very easy to listen to and check out and be satisfied with. So keep that in mind. Dope intro.
Yo, what's up? My name is Indicator, and this is a big shout out to Beatbox International.
Got a really good pocket.
I'm an alien. From the outer space, I am an alien. Made to take your place, I am an alien. I got that alien base, I am an alien. I'm gonna kill your race, cause I'm a brilliant. From the part of a place, I'm a brilliant.
Wow.
Here to pick your a place, I'm a alien. Got that alien
throat
face,
bass?
I'm an alien.
Vibration bass?
I'll kill you like a brilliant. Alien flow.
Wow. Whoa. I think he's doing throat bass. That's just, man, that's such a good use of a bass technique. He made it sound alien, which is, you know, pretty important because that's what you're claiming in your title. Yeah, your technique is awesome. It sounds like a variation of throat bass, like vibration bass, where it's the second subharmonic or the second level of throat bass, where it kind of flips down and pops down to the fifth below the first octave, below what you're singing. So like something like that. Pretty incredible sound quality that he got out of it. It sounded really foreign, it sounded alien, again, to say that, but I think one of the most impressive things here is the pocket or the rhythm that this guy had. It was just a groove the whole way through, and I think that's really important for a beatboxing routine, is to not necessarily stick to a solid metronome for the entire length of a performance, but this is danceable. This is, you know, something that you can jam to, you can listen to, bob your head comfortably, and just I hate to say the word vibe, but vibe with. And all in all, it just sounded great, and he did an awesome job. It's menacing, it's super bassy, awesome. Indicator, beast. Shout out to Indicator. Next video. This next video is from Swiss Beatbox. Shout out to Swiss Beatbox. This is the Brazilian beatbox queen, Gwarlet. I haven't heard anything from her before. I just listened to a little bit of this video over a month ago when it came out, and I had sworn to myself that I was going to put this in a video because I knew it was going to be good, really good. So let's check it out.
Hi, I'm Gwarlet from Brazil, and this is a big shout out to Swiss Beatbox and my friend Peponi. Coming from all side, beast to create a side. This song will be my guide, but they're becoming violent. They're coming from side, beast to create a side. This song will be my guide. That's why I don't wanna hear the silent.
Hey, what's that called?
Coming from all sides.
Her hi-hat sounds like a real hi-hat.
This is what my God, oh, I don't wanna eat.
Yeah, she could sing.
This sound.
I love that. Yeah, wait, what's going on here? I think it's like a synth or a trumpet.
Any better?
Really get that lower octave going I'm really glad I picked this one to check out. That was great. I mean, in many regards, that was really great. So what I was most curious about in this was, since most females have a higher voice than men, their bottom end of throat bass and subharmonics, if they've learned that from my videos, I don't know, just throwing my stuff out there, is going to be limited by their vocal range, just like it is men, but their range generally doesn't go that low in comparison, so they might have to be a bit more creative with how they're getting their sub bass tones and things like that. And she used a lot of lip buzz in the beginning of this, which definitely works works really well. Her lip buzzes were really good. They were nice and well pitched and stayed consistent. Her pocket was really good. The first thing that popped out to me that was really, really impressive was her snare and her clap. Her vocal clap sounded like, they sounded real. They sounded really, really good. And I've been practicing my beatboxing, and mine don't sound that good. They don't even sound relatively that good, I don't think. But they sounded ridiculously crisp and just like, it sounded real. That was super impressive. And then she started singing. This is, I think, exactly what the beatboxing community needs more of. I have been watching a lot more beatboxing videos now. There are a lot more vocalized techniques, bass emulating techniques going on. And that's great. It's making things more exciting. It's allowing for more unique sounds to show up. However, I think another very important characteristic that many beatboxers are going to have a lot of success with moving forward is singing. If a video you put out is just beatboxing and very technical, some people might appreciate it that aren't beatboxers, but the majority of the crowd that's going to enjoy it and really get into it are other beatboxers. However, if you're able to incorporate vocals and singing and an incredible voice like Gwarlet did in this video, you can not only reach beatboxers by impressing them with your beatboxing skills, but also you pretty much just created a song and a sound that can be enjoyed by not only beatboxers but singers as well, and people are casually watching videos in their suggested playlist. So I think this video is awesome because it's not only impressive from a beatboxing standpoint, but also it just sounds amazing, and the fact that she incorporated vocals so well into this performance is just really great and really impressive. So yeah, I would say Gwarlet is the Brazilian beatbox queen. Shout out to Gwarlet, that was awesome, and your voice is amazing, and your beatboxing is obviously awesome as well. So excited to see more videos of you in the future. The last piece I'm going to review in this video is from PWAD. He's the Uruguayan beatbox champion from 2019, I believe. Put him in this video as the second alien because someone messaged me a while ago saying that PWAD uses an alien voice in this video, and they were wondering how he does it and, what technique he's using to get this alien voice. So hopefully it's something obvious that just sticks out to me. I'm sure I'll notice it when we get to it. So also they said this video is great and it shows off some melodic beatboxing. So I am excited to see what that is because that sounds like something right up my alley. Anyways, let's check this out.
Hi, my name is PWAD. I'm from Uruguay. I'm the new Uruguayan champion. And this is a shout out for Sweet Beatbox and Pony.
Looks like he's in a milk pasteurization center or something. Yeah, I think that's where he's at. What the heck? Yeah.
You did a mistake.
Okay.
You lost your life. You did a mistake.
Alright, we got this contrast going on. I kind of like this.
Cause I'm an alien.
Okay. Wow.
Kidded.
What? Whoa. I think there's that lip roll. I couldn't see it though because it's behind the mic.
You did a mistake. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where I kinda sleeping.
Oh god, this dude's voice is great.
Where I kinda beefing. Where I can.
Oh.
Where I kinda
How's he
beefing.
doing that? He's getting like an extra buzz. There it is. Look, that's the synth for the trumpet.
Where I can sleep in.
Oh, he dropped in the second. Yeah.
Where I can.
Almost sounds like the duck voice. You know what I mean? Wow.
Where I can sleep in.
Yeah, that was really good.
Yeah.
To answer the alien question, I am 99% sure that he inhaled that "I'm an alien" something like that. Maybe he's an alien too, not as forward about it as Indicator is, but he's a bit more, you know, peaceful and passive in his alien ways. But yeah, wow, what a great performance that he had there. And I'm really glad I chose this video to be along the other two in this one as well, because it's another great example of using a melodic format to make something really listenable, yet technically appreciable by beatboxers. But it sounded great, so singers and other people that are just passing by can be like, wow, this is really cool and it sounds awesome. And also, bro, where are you at? Like a milk processing plant or something? Like, it looked really cool and it just sounded great. So shout out to PWAD. This video is a lot of fun to make, and honestly, all of these videos are a lot of fun to make. Otherwise, I wouldn't be making them because I have other fun things I could be doing. Reading the comments, and yes, I pretty much read all of the comments. I sit on my phone and just kind of skim through the majority of them and reply to some of them and heart a lot of them. So if you have somebody that you want me to check out, again, leave a comment below. I checked out Indicator and PWAD primarily because of the flood of comments of people saying check out Indicator and PWAD. Thankfully, Gwarlet popped up on my suggested videos feed, and I realized I had to add her to this video as well. So if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, and check me out on Instagram if you have time and if you want to, I guess. Somehow, someway, working something like 13 hours a day, I'm still able to get out one of these videos to you every week, and I have for the entire year so far, and I plan on continuing to do so. So keep leaving me suggestions for new videos because I will run out eventually, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Once again, thank you all for watching, and until next time.